Alright, hello guys. Talk about how I lost $380 after I paid $180 today. So, anyways, looking at today news right for Nasdaq, what did we get? So we got ADP now farm enroll employment change. We have core retail sales. We have PMI. So PMI generally came out as bearish again. Actually was a lot higher. Although that these are all neutral, didn't reflect the market as much. So already, since we have one news at 5:30 exactly on the dot right here, 5:30 right here. What what did we get? We got this fucking massive ass buy side liquidity, right? Again, this is a massive buy side liquidity. Um, looking at this day. Actually, let me remove a lot of this stuff, and then okay, a lot more be able to explain what I was talking about because again, it's just too much over my chart and overall confusing as hell. All right, already. Right. Already, I instantly marked out the sell side liquidity there. So since we have a resting sell side right here, generally I was waiting for this to get smacked. We didn't even get close to it. Generally, price did not get close to it at all whatsoever. Although I'm assuming ES actually took it out, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure we did, right? I said, but this is today. I'm gonna move it today. Yeah, ES also did not take it out. So again, we had the leftover from there. From there, generally, guys, my bias was looking for shorts. Okay, I was looking for heavy on shorts just because that. I mean, again, all these highs up here was literally protected. So I mean, if we'd even get up there, I know it's gonna take a lot longer for price to generally to get up here. And so from there, the market opened at 6:30. I saw a possibility of some shorts that we could take. So after price tapped in at BSL, but like we literally see how price happened BSL. From here, I recognize that this right here is again it's a rejection block. From there, I took shorts from here. I took shorts from here all the way down to believe like close to there here. So we also had a rejection block right here too. So since we had a rejection block again, these areas are protected, but I was able to short this shit and get like a nice fucking. It was a very tight stop loss. I think I got like a 20 RR around there. Took a short from here, energy making money, and from there I'm waiting. Now that we have this, right, we have built up liquidity. It's literally being built up, right? I'm like, okay, well, nice, this is nice, right? Price could generally come down and take it out. That's what I wanted. That's what I was banking on. Okay. Also, while being patient of news coming out at 7 a.m., generally was trying to see some kind of volatility from it. We ended up not getting volatility from it. We ended up actually tapping right back into sorry, we ended up creating SMT and then we ended up coming up and sweeping out these immediate highs here. We ended up taking them out and from there we ended up reversing. So from there I ended up taking another short. Another short, this short was a lot more faster because the price came out, I smacked it instantly. I am taking it from here to here and generally yeah. Now the way how I lost this trade today was actually very in particular. Like I was not fucking happy. I end up taking this one mini IFPG here, taking it, end up shorting it. I am shorting it from, I believe this point on from right here. So generally, remember price came up, but I knew price was gonna come up eventually, come back up, and I'm like, okay, well, since we're just gonna retest it and then move lower. We ended up moving lower. From there, we ended up coming down. Um, I was generally only up like $100, like I think 130 from here, and I'm like, okay, well, price can always gonna do this and do that, and so maybe we have some kind of inducement. Did we get any inducement? Yes, we did. We got inducement off the scanner right here. Now that we got inducement, I'm looking for a short. I'm already well, I was already in short, but from there, my short was part of entry was like right along this line right here. Now I'm in short. Now that we have my stop loss was like literally a little above this, like literally above this, like a little above this. I am not taking it out because I know that we are literally against PD array. It was like a 1 hour survival gap, and from there I was like literally like waiting for it to get played out. So knowing that I do trade standard deviations, I already marked all my key levels, already marked all of them out. For around time frame, we're gonna see we have negative twos, and then again negative 2.5. That was not gonna touch. But since we have the negative twos, it's obvious that price of January was gonna respect this area right here, especially we have the fair value gap right here, and plus we have negative twos aligned with it. We are gonna short this. Now, me not paying attention, would have been a perfect time for me to short up here and then caught this whole move. Because I was already telling everybody that, oh, no, this is gonna be a nice reversal. We ended up dumping 225 points. My take profit was gonna be around this line here, right here. I knew that it was gonna play out. I just didn't know when it was gonna play out. So again, I lost $300 today. Yep, $379. It was just fucking crazy. But yeah, it's fine. I'm not really tripping like that. I know it's wrong. I'm most likely gonna catch it all of it back. So yeah. So that's how to the trade today. Yeah, and it should play. It would have played out so much nicer. I just need to be more a lot more patient. Literally, I just need to be a lot more patient because the way I have to trade was very good. Obviously, like literally, we had another literally we had like another what was it called? You know what's crazy? Because we actually had a rejection block. I'm not sure where it was at. I think it was a 30-minute time frame. One time frame we had one crossing over. I don't know. I might be wrong, but I do know that I took his 1 minute like that. That took his 1 minute trade. This trade played out so fast. It played out so quick, like so quick. Oh, you know what? Because we came out to the side here, so came out to the side for 4 p.m. All right, so at 4 a.m. to get it out. Price energy respected it. Uh, sold off hella hard here. Having rejection block right here. Again, I'm looking for retracement. So do we get any retracement up the upside? Yes, we did. Got it. Got it from up there. Got it because we got it because we had a rejection block from there. What did we do? Literally consolidated all the way up, building up liquidity. All this is big with liquidity. From there, I wanted to short this shit. I wanted this to be so short, especially from here too. This point on right here. This right here, this is nice. I mean, dude, this is nice right here. We could. I'm like, oh my god, and I'm over here being patient because market opened for me at 5:30 in the morning. Not 5:30 in the morning. I mean 6:30. So I wake up pretty early to go trade this. So yeah, that's how I literally like lost money. That's what it is. You guys don't be mad that you lost money today. Generally it's literally what the fuck ever. But yeah, this might even drop more levels too. We got like what we got like 100 point move or something, right? Yeah, but I don't got that. See, it ain't even happen none of our levels right now. So I was like, it's every trace, but oh shit. Yep. And that was our 100 point move right there for play five range I tapped into. Yep, and for there, Mega Malora has respected it. So you guys have a good day. I just want to make a like straight recap of how I fucking lost $384. So far it's not that bad. Okay, bye. I just not like my first time going onto like actual I guess actual account. So yeah. All right, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Peace.